Guys, we cooked a sausage, egg, and cheese omelet. I'm telling you, with peppers and onions, and it is delicious. We did it today on the Blackstone. Guys, we got to give this a taste test. Don't go anywhere. But thanks for watching. I'm Chad, right here in the heart of Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and we are so glad that you tuned in to No Coffee Needed today. It is an awesome day. Omelets on the Blackstone. Guys, let's get started. Come on. All right, guys, today's ingredients are very simple. It's gonna be very easy omelet on the Blackstone. Real quick, we've got some hot sausage, just bulk sausage, just like that. We've got some green and red bell peppers along with onions diced up. We have 3 eggs. That's right, gonna be a 3-egg omelet. Got a little butter, a little bit of seasoning, your favorite seasoning that you like on your omelets, however you want to do it. We got some mild cheddar cheese, a little bit of oil. Guys, we're going to get this thrown on the Blackstone real quick. First thing we want to do is we want to get that sausage and the peppers and onions working. Now, what I want to do is tell you is we've got this left side on medium low. That's where we're going to do our sausage and our peppers and onions. This side over here is on low because if you've ever cooked eggs real fast, it just kind of changes the taste a little bit. We like to cook ours slow, especially with an omelet. That's the way it's gonna go today. So why don't we go ahead and get this sausage. Oh, first thing, let's take a little bit of oil. Slide on there. Just want to remind you, the left one is medium low. The next 3 are on low to the right. So we'll go ahead and get this sausage, peppers and onions. Just let all that start working together. All right, guys, while that sausage, peppers and onions are working, we're gonna go ahead and get these 3 eggs and we're just gonna scramble them just a little bit, not a whole lot. We wanna kind of keep them slightly thick. About like so. Gonna take a little bit of this seasoning, throw in there. A little bit of that 3-peat seasoning that we like to use on everything. Another quick stir. Now those are ready. Just gonna put them right there. Let's get back over here and check on this sausage, peppers, and onions. All right, guys, let's go take the sausage, the peppers, and onions just a few more minutes. We'll let those keep running. We got those eggs mixed up with a little bit of our seasoning in there. So in a minute, we're gonna just lay down some butter, pour those eggs out, kind of keep them in a rectangle shape so that we can fold it over just like we need it to. But anyway, guys, don't go anywhere. Now you're cooking, no coffee needed style. All right, guys, the sausage is done, the peppers and onions are done. We're gonna get over here and try to move things around just a little bit and then go ahead and get the eggs on the griddle, ready for the omelet. All right, guys, what we've seen, I pulled a few of the peppers and onions out. I'm gonna move those over to the side. The reason we did that is we're gonna just kind of put those on top, just so it looks a little better. We got the sausage, peppers, and onions mixed up right here. Gonna slide this over. Now, what I do want to tell you is I got this one on medium low, this burner on low. I cut this one off and this one on low. I'm gonna try to keep my omelet eggs right in here. Just let that heat from each side kind of bring it over here to the middle to cook. Because I don't like to cook my eggs real fast. I think it changes the taste. You want to give those eggs time to cook, but not get done too quickly. You want to get that cheese melted and keep everything nice and hot. Guys, that's what we're gonna do right here. Gotta have butter, real butter. None of that imitation stuff, real butter right here, salted butter on the griddle. Let's go ahead and put some down. Real butter. One quick thing I want to just tell you is, if you're cooking any kind of protein, whether it's bacon or ham or sausage, and you put it over here, wherever you're cooking it, you're going to cook your omelets on top of that, you need to make sure you clean that extremely well. And the reason is, your eggs will turn black. It'll kind of stick to that protein, turn it black a little bit, and you don't want that. I don't like black eggs. I don't think you do either. So anyway, that's where we're going to put the eggs. Give them another quick stir. We're going to pour these out slowly. Try to keep this in a rectangle. So anyway, guys, you can see how the eggs are beginning to dry up a little bit on the edges. We're getting real close. Don't go anywhere. Be just another second. Man, I tell you what, you look at those eggs and they look yummy. Makes me want to dance, 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 woohoo! Right here in Myrtle Beach. Man, SOS was last week and I've still got my shagging shoes on. Yes, sir. Let's get this ready. Hey guys, I know all of you know that I love Dr. Pepper Zero, and I love the Dr. Pepper Zero cream soda. I went to the store yesterday afternoon. I could not find Dr. Pepper cream soda anywhere, but they got this special edition, limited edition of Dr. Pepper Zero Sugar Dark Berry for the new Jurassic Park movie coming out, I think it is. It's called Jurassic World. Guys, if you haven't tried this, you really need to. No, they don't sponsor, they don't give me any money. I just love Dr. Pepper Zero. This is some great stuff. You need to give it a try. Anyway, it's real cool. Look at those eggs. Now they're getting ready for a little cheese. Just in time. Let's go check it out. Woo, woo. Check it out. See how it's dry around the edges. You can see it's starting to get there in the center. What I want to do is, we like a lot of cheese. Just going to put down a little bit right quick, right there. We're going to take a little bit of this sausage, peppers and onions, sit right there. Not much. I'm going to take this, flip it over. I'm going to take this, flip it over again. Set it right there. I did tear it just a little bit, but that's okay. Just gonna let it sit there, let it finish cooking, get that cheese nice and melted. Gonna plate it up, put a little bit of garnish right on top. Guys, I'm telling you, that is going to be one awesome omelet. Don't go anywhere. Look how beautiful that right there looks. Put that right there on a plate. Get a little bit of extra sausage. Lay there on top. Get all these peppers and onions we set over here to the side. Guys, doesn't that look delicious? All right, guys, we just got this omelet off the Blackstone. Let's give it a try. It's got plenty of cheese, sausage, onions, peppers. Guys, look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? It didn't take but a minute. Only had a few ingredients. Let's try this. Oh man, this is that is so good, so simple, so quick, so easy. Guys, I want to thank you so much for tuning in to No Coffee Needed today. We made Bo a quick omelet. We're gonna give it to him, see how he likes it. Come on, buddy. So guys, thanks so much for tuning in. If this is your first time here, thank you so much. We really appreciate it. If you would, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that little bell, give us a thumbs up, make some comments down below. Let us know where you're watching from. We would greatly appreciate it. Hey, if you've been here before, you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. We love you. We love the new subscribers. We love the new viewers, the people that keep coming back. Y'all mean more to us than we could ever tell you. Guys, but thank you so much. Right here in the heart of Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, I'm Chad with No Coffee Needed. Guys, thanks so much. We love you, but more importantly, God loves you. Now you're cooking No Coffee Needed style.